Assalamu alaikum students. We are studying a course Organic Polymer and today our topic is stereochemistry of polymers. The word stereo means space. Stereochemistry, it is also said to be the space chemistry of polymer. First of all, we will discuss the concept of stereochemistry. To understand this concept, we will discuss an example of the lactic acid. It is a lactic acid and it is also a lactic acid. The only change between these two structures is the arrangement of this OH group. In this structure it is on left side, while in this structure it is on right side. Due to the arrangement of this single atom or group around the carbon, its properties will be changed. So what we can say that about the stereochemistry, the arrangement of groups around the central carbon, we call it the space chemistry or stereochemistry. It's a central carbon and it's around it is its space where different atoms are arranged. So this arrangement is called space or stereochemistry. So what is configuration? Arrangement of a group of atom or atom around the carbon is called configuration. What does it mean, students? It means that if the central carbon is oriented with different types of the atoms in space and around the central carbon the arrangement of the atom is different, while here OH on left side, while in this case OH on right side, and the central carbon where I have mentioned the star showing that it is a asymmetric center or chiral center. We call it the D-lactic acid and we call it the L-lactic acid. The chemical properties same but physical properties different. In this structure, in lactic acid structure, only due to the change of the OH group in space, their properties are changed. Chemical properties remain same while physical properties undergo to change formation. So this is the overall concept about the stereochemistry. But our topic is the stereochemistry of polymer. Now we will understand this stereochemistry in terms of polymer. So our topic is in case of polymer use of stereochemistry as. We will understand this thing while discussing a variety of examples. The first example is, here is a monomers, monomer 1, monomer 2 and monomer 3. If we take n number of monomers and polymerize it, it will convert into a polymer. In this monomer, first one, where is the CH2 double bond CH and here a substituent attached nominated as Z. Z, it's a random name and Z must be maybe a electron donating group or maybe electron withdrawing group when these monomers are attached and they form a polymer. But now the thing to be noted that the formation of polymer in which the Z is attached on below side, below the plane, as this Z substituent attached in the monomer structure. The same structure is formed in the polymer form. So the type of this polymer is said to be isotactic. Iso, it is a Greek word, means same, and the tactic mean order. This polymer is arranged in a same order. If I will show you clearly, look it now. The Z is attached below side. In second monomer, the Z attached on below side, and in third case C is attached on below side. So if the functional group or substituent is attached on same side in an order, it is said to be isotactic. So the second example is, these are the monomeric units, but here the substituent is above, here is below, and here is above in alternate manner, and it form or undergo to polymerize and form a polymer where the functional group Z or substituent group is present in an alternate manner. And we already understand that the carbon skeleton having the functional group or substituent in an alternate position, this type of the polymerization or polymer is said to be syndiotactic polymers. So students, we will move towards another example. Here it is a monomeric units. These are monomeric units, and where the position of substituent below, above side and below side, and same order is present in polymer. There is no regular arrangement of the substituent in this polymer, and if there is no order, there is no sequence, then this type of polymer is said to be atactic polymer. So students, due to the arrangement of the functional group in space around the carbon, the properties of the polymer is changed. So this is the overall concept in terms of the polymer and the stereochemistry of polymer. Now interesting fact, and it is important for the MCQ's perspective, we have already studied some mechanisms in the chain polymerization, where we have studied the ionic mechanism, which was further extended in the cationic and anionic mechanism, and the third one was the free radical mechanism. So the MCQ's point of view, which thing is important? The important thing is this: isotactic or syndiotactic polymer is formed by which type of mechanism? So they are formed by the ionic mechanism, or in second way, the ionic mechanism generate which type of polymer, and they generate a isotactic or syndiotactic polymers. And about the free radical mechanism, it generates the atactic polymer, or atactic polymer are formed by the free radical mechanisms. And we have studied the Ziegler-Natta catalyst or Ziegler-Natta polymerization in last topic, where we have studied the coordination polymerization, and in this case we have detailed understand that the Ziegler-Natta catalyst is a type of catalyst where we want to form a polymer of our own desire, because it is used for making a polymer which is further used for the variety of purposes, and they have variety of purposes, applications and characteristics. Ziegler-Natta catalyst have a great importance, and it is used for the preparation of syndiotactic polymer, and it is also used for generating a isotactic type polymer as well. So these are the important MCQs. They may be asked in terms of the mechanism, may be asked in terms of the polymer, which type of mechanism is followed in syndiotactic polymer, and which type of mechanism is followed by atactic polymer. So these are the important block. So students, we have studied three different types: isotactic, syndiotactic and atactic. Isotactic, it is a linear chain polymer. Syndiotactic, it is also a linear chain polymer, and atactic, it is branched chain polymer. Isotactic and syndiotactic both are high density polyethylene, and atactic polymer is a low density polyethylene. If it is high density polyethylene, it means it is a crystalline nature. What does mean of the crystalline nature? It means that the monomeric units are arranged in a polymer is very closely or very tightly. and it is a low density polyethylene, so it means it is not a crystalline. Then what is? Then it is a amorphous nature, and amorphous nature mean the monomeric units are not tightly bound due to the presence of branches. So a last example in which we will understand a new thing. If the monomer used for the preparation of the polymer having two double bonds mean diene. So this is a monomer number 1, and the name of this monomer is 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene, and this is another monomer same having name 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene. Another name is isoprene. It means if we have a 2 unit of isoprene and polymerize it to form a polymer, this polymer is formed, it is a dimer polymer. So this monomer have two double bond, this monomer also have two double bond, and the polymer is formed where two double bond also present. The 4 double bond undergo towards 2 double bonds, and the remaining 2 double bonds is used for prolongation or for the chain forming polymer. So this carbon where I have mentioned the star is representing the chirality of the carbon. The around this carbon the all groups are different. Here is the CH3, here is the CH2, CH3, CH2, and around double bond carbon it is a hydrogen, and this overall bulky group is attached here. The important thing to note that is if the arrangement of carbon-carbon double bond, there is two forms may be possible in the stereochemistry. One is the cis form, another is the trans form, and this type of the formation or stereochemistry is undergo in the geometrical isomerism. And where two types of the geometrical isomerism is, the first one is the cis geometry, second one is the trans geometry. This is only a long chain. We have neither any concern with long chain. We have to focus on this CH2 group, and here this CH2 group. Mean this CH2 group present on the same side above the plane of this carbon-carbon double bond. If the same group is present on same side, it is said to be the cis, while it is CH2 and this CH2 is present on opposite side, it's said to be the trans form. And it's a elastomer nature, and we use this cis form for the generation or for the making of the natural rubber, while this trans form is used for the preparation of the gutta percha. This was overall about today's topic. We have understand the stereochemistry of polymer. I hope you enjoy this lecture, you understand this lecture. Kindly share your feedback. Thank you.